So last video, I think you saw us doing a counting trick. Not really, she knows how to count, and now she knows how to do addition. So we'll do a couple of addition problems. And sorry she looks so ratty, like a junkyard dog, but she was just at the beach and in the ocean. So, and sandy too. Clover, come here. Baby, come here. Sit down. What is, Clover, what is 3 plus 2? Good girl. Okay, I got one more. One more. What's, Clover, come here. Sit. What is 5 plus 4? Wow. Isn't that cool? Look around, move the camera around. Nobody near me, nothing, no signals. We're on the porch, it's sunset. Clover, the only thing I got here is a little bit of cheese for her. And unfortunately it's shredded cheese, so it's all over the place. Have a good night, thanks.